Habana Junior to Bisnar. Pull-ups. Rebound. Guard Sayo to Banal. Santos drive. Missed the shot. Rebound. Bisnar. Rosas open for three. Short. Rebound again. And always a foul given by number 16, Banal. First personal foul, 13th foul, Batang Satwa. There's Campelayo on the inbound to Rosas. Habana Junior from the corner. 3 points! Score 9-2. Dribbling the ball. Zero. Pass to Banal. Banal for three. Too strong. Rebound. Goes to Habana Junior. To Rutor underneath. Connect for 2 points. Timeout. Batang Satwa. Official score 11-2, 9-point lead by Jammers. 5 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Sayo, guarded by Rosas, given big by Uy. Sayo, blocked by Rutor. Uy, for the putback, missed the shot. Here's Bisnar, taking the ball. Then Layo to Habana Junior. Rutor, Bisnar. Rosas, missed the shot. Passive rebound, Habana, nice pass to Rutor. Didn't connect. Another rebound, Habana to Bisnar. Rosas, still by Santos. Santos, drive, shot. Banal on the putback, but there's a whistle. Foul number 22 on Bisnar, pushing foul. First personal foul and first team foul, Jammers. Two shots for Christian Banal. Basket. Second throw. Too strong, rebound by Bisnar. Pass to Pelayo. Pelayo, moving the ball. Pass to Habana Junior to Bisnar. Nice pass to Rutor. Good for 2 points. This comes Sayo. Guarded by Rosas. Sayo to Santiago. Correct for 2 points. Habana Junior dribbling the ball. Libre sa 3 to Mila. Habana Junior for 3. 16-5. 11-point lead. Jammers. Santiago to Sayo. Given big by Santos. Sayo to Santos, to Uy, short, rebound. Uy, aggressive rebound. Nice pass to Santos, connect for 2 points. This come Habana Junior bringing down the ball. Pass to Pelayo, to Bisnar. Bisnar, too strong, rebound. And Rosas. Airball. Sabrem. Two minutes, 58 seconds remaining. Santiago on the inbound.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo ngayon. Sa ating
Sayo. Guarded by Pruto.
Semi-finals.
Sayo drive. Missed the shot. Rebound. Pelayo.
JM Pelayo nagmamadali.
Drive.
Easily po. JM Pelayo. Aba, lumalayo.
Pass break to Sayo.
Sayo. Lumalayo.
2 minutes 30 seconds. Pelayo. Open for 3. Short. Rebound. Habana Jr. to Papa. Pruto. Too strong. Save by Pelayo. Bisnar. 10 to shoot. Habana drive. Short. Rebound. Santiago. Here comes Santos. Santos to Sayo. To Banal. To Santos. Santos connect for 2. 1 minute 52 seconds. Pruto to Pelayo. Back to Pruto. 14 shot clock. Bisnar. Pelayo, 10 to shoot. Pruto. It's a shot rebound by Santiago. Here's Manal to Santos. Santos, small away, short. Rebound, Habana Jr. Pruto to Papa. Papa to Habana. Pelayo. Drive. Connect for 2 points. 1 minute, 4 seconds.
Nice house.
Santiago. Looking some of the pass, waiting for his teammates. 14 shot clock, Banal. Nice hustle play for Christian Banal. And timeout. Oh, 13-20. Ha? 22? 20 no? Tama. Oh, timeout. Timeout on Jammers. Tama score natin, no? 13-20. Back to the ball game. Wow. 8:45. Pelayo on the rebound. Si by Pruto Jr. Fourteen shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Papa. Rebound. Amurando. 20 seconds. Still by Pelayo. Pelayo. Short. Follow-up. Still missed the shot. Rebound. Pruto. 10 seconds. Papa. And still by Carlos. Here's now Carlos. Carlos. 3 points. And on the first quarter, official score 20-16. 4-point lead by Jammers.
Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan. Napakaganda ng mga laban nito sa ato na to. Kanina, Battle of the Pride, ang Batang Satwa, Abu Dhabi, Marikero, Budis, grabe ang mga bakbakan. At mamaya, Filipino Homes versus Budis na naman ang maglalaban.
Back to the ball game.
Kung sino po yung mananalo dito, ang makakalaban ng Budis advance to the finals.
Okay. Takin. all players. Pelayo on the inbound, received by Bruto.
Bruto.
Bruto, guarded by Carlos. Bruto,
Nice! Wala siya! Wala ko! Shoot pa yun! Grabe ang ikot!
Amoranto. To another short rebound, Pelayo. To Claros, drive, pulling for 2 points. This time, Carlos, number 11. Castro to Santiago, pulling for 2. 22-18. Bruto. To strong rebound, Castro. Castro Amoranto. Carlos. Back to Castro. Castro. Layup, missed the shot. Rebound, here's Papa. Papa. Too strong. And there's a whistle.
High foul para kay Bruto.
23. Sakrep. First personal foul on Bruto. First team foul, Jammers.
Si Bruto, 23.
And a steal by Claros. Claros drive. Pulling for 2 points. Carlos to Castro. Castro drive almost, and there's a whistle. Foul on number 21. Papa. Hindi.
Hindi natin.
Ang pwede dito, Papa. Gomez pala, Gomez.
Ito yung gara. Sa doon.
2 shots.
Kahit nga 10
Para kay Castro. Basket.
Punta ba kayo doon kay Juan?
Castro. 2 out of 2 for Castro. 24-20. 4-point lead, Jammers. Rosas. Guarded by Carlos. Pass to Havana Jr. Nice pass underneath. Gomez. Missed the shot. Rebound by Santiago. Santiago. Steal by Claros. This time, Habana. Strong to the hoops. Connect for 2 points. Carlos. Winning the ball to Castro. 14 shot clock. Amoranto. 10 to shoot. Castro. Air ball. Sabrep. Habana Jr. Guarded by Amoranto. Habana Jr. Drive. Gusto ko. Passive rebound for Visnar. 1-4-2. Santiago winning the ball. Pass to Rui. To Carlos. Carlos to Santiago. Carlos connect for 2 points. Visnar to Habana Jr. Rosas, turn around, shot, connect for 2. Amoranto, the shot, rebound, Santiago, connect for 2 points. And Claros losing the handle. Sabrep. Score 13-24. 5 minutes, 52 seconds remaining. Hernandez on the rebound. Amorando. Amorando to Fernandez. Fernandez to Carlos. Carlos. 14 shot clock. Fernandez, step back. 3 points. Fernandez. Rosas, drive. Oh, drop pass. Missed the shot by Busnal. Here's Santiago dribbling the ball. Santiago to Fernandez. Back to Santiago. Santiago connect for 2 points. Score 30-29, 1-point lead, Jammers. Ito, nakatigit na dito ang Batang Satwa. Isa na lamang ang kalamangan ng Jammers. Rosos, biglang titira ng 3. Mintes. Rebound by Uy. Is na ang Amorando. Dribbling the ball to Uy. Uy, guarded by Rotor. 14 shot clock. Amorando. Still from behind. Iskam Delayo to Rosos. To Habana Jr. Back to Rosos. To Bisnal. And Ozell. Foul on number 19. Uy, that was your second personal foul. First team foul, Batang Satwa, number 19. This now on the inbound to Papa, holding the ship. Papa, jumper, shot, passive rebound by Pelayo. Strong rebound by Santos. Carlos, guarded by Rosos. Carlos drive, tap out, symbol. Shot clock, 17 seconds. 17 seconds shot clock. 14 to shoot. 10. Lola, blocked by Papa. Bisna, long pass to Papa. Papa, connect for 2. 32-29. Yoda, pass to Louis. To Carlos. Carlos guarded by Pelayo. Out of bounds. And out of bounds. Sabrek. Okay. Habana Jr. on a inbound. Received by Rosos. Rosos drive. And there's a foul on number 18. 2 shots. Sabrek. Sayo, that was your, ilan si Sayo? Isa? First personal foul. 2 shots for Rosos. Basket. 33-29. Lastro. 2 out of 2 for Rosos. Sayo. Nice pass to Uy, losing the ball. And there's no whistles. Foul was called number 1, Papa. First personal foul, 13 foul. Jammers. Olivera on the inbound. To Sayo. Sayo. Too strong. And rebound Olivera. Olivera. 10 to shoot. Santos. Santos to Banal. 5 to shoot. And out of bounds. Rosos to Pelayo. Score 34-29. 3 minutes remaining. Pelayo. And there's a whistle, no basket. Holding foul number 7 on Rulyada. First personal foul, 13 foul. Pelayo on the inbound, Krishnan. 14 shot clock. Rosos, 10 to shoot. And there's also okay, both all players on the bench. Sa bench muna tayo, all players.
Double and sportsmanlike foul, Bistar. Double and sportsmanlike foul, Bistar.
Banal.
Banal, Jambol.
Okay, double unsportsmanlike foul on jersey number 22 of Jabbers and number 16 of Banal Satwa. Jambol. Okay, both players 3 minutes rest. Walang may control yun eh. Walang may control. Okay, bola ng Batang Satwa. Blue ball. 3 minutes rest. 3 minutes rest. 3 minutes rest. Okay. Santos on the inbound. Pass to Rulyada. Rulyada bringing down the ball. Pass to Uy. 14 shot clock. Rulyada to Uy. Almost losing the ball. Uy missed the shot. Rebound. Number 8. Number 9 rather. On Arquisola. Pelayo. 14 shot clock. Ambana Junior short rebound by Uy. Pass to Sayo. Pass back to Rulyada. Rulyada to Uy. Sayo to Fernandez. 3 points! 34-32. 1 minute 50 seconds. Also, short rebound by Santos. Pass to Sayo. Here's now Sayo. Pass out to Rulyada. Rulyada open for 3. Too strong rebound by Rosos. And a foul on number 7. Time out. Batang Satwa Rulyada. That was your second personal foul. Entering penalty. Batang Satwa. Official score 34-32, 2-point lead, Jabbers. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, next game po, abangan ninyo ang ating quarterfinals ng ating Battle of the Pride between the Brodies and the Filipino Homes. After po yan ang ating quarterfinals semi-bilig. Okay, back to the ball game. Isam Habana Jr. Inumping by Arquisola. Papa. 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 pull up, short, rebound. To Albisola, Rosas, Habana Jr. Still missing the three. Is Santos to Fernandez. Fernandez! Talo by Santiago! Deadlock on 34. And there's a whistle. Foul on. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 3. Technical foul on number 3. Double black eye. Second personal foul. Isasad ka? Mamaya boss, mamaya, sorry. Pag pumasok mo. Okay, pasok. Pelayo on na yun daw. Rotor! Uy! Sayang di pumasok. Rebound. Agawan. Habana. Rosas. Connect for 2. 37 seconds. Fernandez. Timeout! Zebras change favor. 1-4 lead by Batang Satwa. 36-37. Okay, back to the playing board. Huh? What? 25 seconds remaining. This come. Seconds, Papa layup to strong rebound by Santiago. 10 seconds. Yoda. 5 seconds. Santiago drive, block. And a simple 2.3 seconds remaining. 2.3 seconds remaining. Yoda looking for someone to pass. Sayo. Still almost for Rosas. Official score 36-37, 1-4 lead, Batang Satwa.
Okay, pasalamat muna tayo sa ating major sponsor, DRS Express Global. Ayan ang mga drum race nila. Ang paninito kayo, yung mga promo pack sa mga gusto magpadala dito sa Pilipinas. Si Cargo Combo Race, andyan po yung mga presyo. Tawag lang po kayo sa mismong DRS office para mapick up po ang inyong mga box. Ayan po ang mga new TV race, mga gusto magpadala ng mga appliances sa Pilipinas. Air Cargo, no extra charge. Makikita po natin ang price dyan. Meron na rin tayong mga cabinet, yung mga sala set po, and then sa mga appliances, andyan po.
Okay, special thanks to our sponsors, JRS Express, Global Cargo, Karat World Gold and Jewelries, Foreman Technical Services, SMDC, and Delicious Restaurant. Ay, ganun na ba?
Step into luxury at SMDC.
Wayata. Okay. Itan dati itang malambot san Okay, back to the ball game for third quarter. Okay. Rosas, short, rebound, Sayo. Pass to Santiago. Santiago dribbling the ball. Pass to Rulioda. And steal by Pelayo. Pelayo is in layup, connect for two. Rulioda to Santos. To Sayo. Sayo dribbling the ball. And to Rulioda. And stepping on the line. Sabrem. Okay, Havana Jr. as Fruto. Fruto setting the play for Chalmers. And there's also foul number 18, Sayo. That was your second personal foul. First team foul, Badal Satwa. Bisnar all the way down. To Fruto underneath, missed the shot. Rebound still by Carlos. And steal again by Pelayo. Easy 2 points for JM Pelayo. 40-37. Hernandez. Drive, connect for two. Here's come Havana Jr. Havana Jr. Nice pass to Bisnar. Carlos dribbling the ball to Santos. Santos dribbling the ball to Santiago. Santiago underneath, blocked by Bisnar, but same ball. Sabrem. Sana rin Molde ini gagawa. Santos on the inbound. Sayo. Bisnar. Right! And one play plus a foul. Basket count. Foul number 10. Bonus shot. 44-39, bonus shot for Bisnar. Rebound again by Havana Jr. Pass to Pelayo. 10 to shoot. Bisnar drive, connect for 2 points again. (46-39). And there's a whistle. Foul on number 23. Saglit lang. Okay, Fruto. Sub rep, sub.
Reminders namin, pag-ibig ng kagulo dito, ibigay mo mga kalaro sa Marinas. Pasasakot sa gulo, pinagkalo sa Marinas.
Okay. Fruto, that was your second personal foul. First team foul, Jammers. Carlos. Guarded by Pelayo. Carlos. Drive, but there's a whistle. A blocking foul. Number 34, Luthor. 2 shots. Ilan na si Rotor? First personal foul for Rotor. Second team foul, Jammers. Okay, first throw. Miss the shot. Last throw. 1 out of 2 for Carlos. This comes Habana Jr. to Pelayo. Pelayo. Connect for 2 points. Pinaliwala yung depensa ni Carlos. 48-40. This comes Sayo. Galing na ball. Galing pick by Uy. Sayo drive. Connect for 2 points. 48-42. This comes Pluto. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Bisnal. And nice steal by para Satwa. This comes Carlos. Pass to Banal. Here's the shot. And the rebound. Habana. And a steal by Banal. Banal. Here's the shot. And here's comes Habana. Habana Jr. Here's the shot. Rebound. Rotor. Connect for 2. Timeout by the Satwa. Official score 50-42. 8-point lead by the Jumpers. Back to the ball game. Religiosa on the inbound. And a steal by Bisnar. Bisnar. Pass out to Pelayo. Pass to Habana Jr. Habana Jr. 3 points! 53-42. Here comes Sayo. Setting the play for Banat Satwa. 14 shot clock. Uy. To Banal. Nice pick and roll. Santos there to shoot. And it's steal by Pelayo. Here's comes Bisnar. To Pluto. Back to Bisnar. And it's steal by Banal. Here's comes Santos drive. And getting a foul on number 34. Rotor. Sabrep. Rotor, that was your third, second rather, personal foul. Kanina? Sige, pasok. Kakalimutan ko. Wala ko na yan. Okay, 2 shots for Santos. Basket. 53-43. Second throw. In and out, rebound, and a foul. Number 21 on Gomez. Entering penalty, Jammers. Shot clock 14. Ten to shoot, and a whistle. Foul number 22, Bisnar pushing foul, 2 shots. Third personal foul on Bisnar. Sabrep. 2 shots for Uy. Short. Second throw. 1 out of 2 for Uy. 53-40. Mamaya na sir. Iskan Fruto setting the play. Fourteen shot clock. 10 to shoot. Papa almost. And offensive foul was called on number 23, Fruto Zagreb. Fruto, that was your third personal foul. Two shots, pushing foul pala yun, pushing. Penalty already for Jammers. First throw, no basket. Second throw. 1 out of 2 for UI, 53-45. 8-point lead, Jammers. This comes Rosas, setting the play. Rosas, ordered by Amar. Shot clock 14 to Papa. And it's steal by UI. This comes UI. To Runyoda. To Santos. Santos to Amorato. To Runyoda. 14 to shoot. Nice pass underneath to UI. Connect for 2 points. 53-47. 6-point lead by Jammers. Iska Pelayo. Papa. To Habana Jr. Jump shot, missed a shot. Rebound by Runyoda. Iska. Wala na. Dalawa na lang kayo hanggang 4th quarter. Dalawa hanggang 4th quarter. Fernandez. Rebound by Pelayo. Nice pass to Papa. And a steal by Runyoda. This time Runyoda bring the ball. Runyoda to Fernandez. Mintes. Rebound. Habana Jr. Pass to Rosas. Rosas to Papa. To Fruto. Papa still missed the shot. Rebound. Runyoda. Pass to Uy. Uy, jump shot. Long two. Connect for 2 points. 53-49. Rosas dribbling the ball. Pass to Habana Jr. Habana Jr. drive and there's a whistle. Foul on number 10. Santos. Zagreb Gomez will replace by Rutor. Okay, 2 shots for Habana Jr. First throw, correct for 1. 54-49. Second throw. Zagreb. 2 out of 2 for Habana Jr. Score 55-49. 6-point lead still by Jammers. Ruscam Amorato. Pass to Uy, guarded by Rutor. To Runyoda. And out of bounds. Same ball. Shot clock 16 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. This comes Santiago for the inbound. To Fernandez. 14 to shoot. Santiago, 3 points! 55-52. 3-point lead by Jammers. 1 minute 50 seconds. Iska Pelayo losing the ball. Out of bounds, same ball. Shot clock 17. Rotor on the inbound. To Bisnar. Jump shot short. Rebound by Uy. And almost steal Santiago on the ball. Ulyoda to Amorato. Hernandez short. Rebound Uy. On the putback. Correct for 2 points. 55-54. Here's come Rosas. Rosas, drive, short, rebound, Rotor, and out of bounds, Satwa. Timer, Jammers. Official score 55-54, 1 point lead, Jammers, 1 minute and 6 seconds, third quarter. Hernandez on the inbound to Santiago. Hernandez bringing down the ball. To Yoda, pass to Uy. Uy. Amorato. And there's some stepping on the line. 53.9 seconds remaining. Okay. Step in. Ano naman step in? Pelayo, shot. Another follow-up. Rebound, Amorato. 42 seconds remaining. Ulyoda, connect for 2 points. Change favor. 30 seconds. 55-56. Pelayo, pass to Papa. To Bisnar, 20 seconds. Bisnar, almost an air ball. Pelayo save to Rotor. 10 to shoot. Bisnar, connect, in and out. Rebound, Hernandez, 5 seconds. 2. Hernandez almost. And of the third quarter, official score 55-56. 1 point lead, Batang Satwa. Okay, special thanks to our sponsors, JRS Express Global Cargo, Caracol Gold and Jewelries, SMDC, Foreman Technical Services, and Delicious Restaurant. Step in, unless stepping. Hindi wamit chinelas eh. Okay, meron tayong Golf Darters Club presents by Monarchs. 10K AED Darts Tournament. Entry fee, 100 dirhams. Ayan. Kung mga gustong sumala dyan, may talent sa dart. Oo. Lapit lang kayo kay Boss Jello. Ayan. Okay, back to the ball game. Ito na. Dito na tayo magkakaalaman sa ating fourth quarter. Dikit ang ating score, 55-56. Santiago on the inbound. And almost steal by Rosas. This is from Santiago. Received by Uy. Uy. Sayo. 14 seconds shot clock. Santiago, guarded by Papa. 10 to shoot. Santiago picks and a whistle blow. Foul on number 1, Papa. Second personal foul, first team foul. Jammers. 2 shots for Santiago. First row, connect for 1, 55-57, 2-point lead, Banang Satwa. Second row. Too strong, rebound, Fernandez, nice save. Save on Saurep. 14 seconds to shoot. Sayo on the inbound to Uy. Back to Rumyoda. 10 to shoot. Sayo. 5 to shoot. Here's Pelayo. And Fernandez. Rumyoda to Santiago. And traveling. Okay, substitution. Rosas. Biglang pumira ng dress. Lintes rebound. Santiago. To Sayo. Here's comes Sayo. To Santos. Correct good. 2 points. 55-59. 4-point lead by Banang Satwa. 8 minutes and 45 seconds to go. Here's come Havana Jr. dribbling the ball. To Bisnar. Bisnar against Uy. Bisnar losing the ball and still by Santos. To Fernandez. And a whistle. Foul on number 8, Havana Jr. Sabrep. Ilan po na to? First personal foul for Havana Jr. Second team foul, Jammers. Banal on the inbound. Sayo, guarded by Rosas. Here comes Sayo to Banal. And 8 seconds violation. Nice D for the Jammers.
Nagkaroon ng 8-second violation ng Banang Satwa.
Havana Jr. mo na inbound. Shot clock 40.
Pelayo.
10 to shoot.
Pelayo.
Nice block!
Sabi niya. Saan ka pupunta? Sabi ni Patrick Oy. Medyo ininda yata ni Patrick Oy yun. Ano yun? Pelayo.
Okay.
Mga batang Lamps Piñas, batang Paranaque.
Shot clock 11 seconds.
Libre!
Low 2. And Russell Giselle.
Kung hindi nakita, tingnan natin yung hands ko.
Okay, yes, Osman like foul on Pelayo. 3 minutes stress. Okay.
Unnecessary
Natin ang
score dito
call
sa Jammers.
for Jammers.
59-57 ang final score Oras po natin,
3
8
minutes.
minutes and 8 seconds.
Mahalagang bagay yun. Okay. Okay, 2 shots for Carlos.
Expect ko na yan.
Basket. 57-60. 1 more shot. Two out of 2 for Carlos. 57-61. Ball possession. Sa kabila. Okay, 14 seconds to shoot. Santos on the inbound. And still by the star, Rutor. Pass to Rossos. Rossos behind the back, dribble, next trap pass to Guzman. And blocked by Santos. Here's come Uy. Bringing down the ball. Pass to Sayo. Sayo guarded by Rossos. To Banal. 14 to shoot. Banal is the shot. Rebound. Here's come Banal. Sayo for the corner. Miss again. And another rebound for Banal. Pass to Carlos. 10 to shoot.
Po, hindi makakakuha ng defensive rebound ng
Hey!
Patrick Oy.
Uy! Good up for 2.
Ganda nilalaro ngayon ni Patrick Oy.
57-63. 7 minutes to go.
7 minutes.
Rossos dribbling the ball. Guarded by Carlos. Still dribbling. Rossos.
Points! Rosso!
60-63.
Eto na, pumutok na si
6
Rosso.
minutes and 41 seconds.
Po. Tatlo ang kalamangan.
Sayo. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by Habana Jr. Pass to Uy. Uy against Gisnar. Looks on the pass. To Sayo. 14 seconds to shoot. Sayo drive. Reverse. What a nice shot by Daniel Sayo. 60-65. Here's got Rossos. Guarded by Carlos. Rossos.
Rosso!
Lotter missed the shot. Rebound on Uy. Pass to Carlos. Carlos dribbling the ball to Santos. Shot. Rebound. Here's come Vistar. Power play. And basket count.
Laking foul para kay Patrick
Basket
Oy.
count. Plus a foul. Number 19. Uy. Okay, bonus shot. For Bisnar. Score is 62-65. Bonus shot. Connect for 1. Completing the 3-point play. 63-65. And still by Habana
Agaw
Jr.
pa ni Habana. Ayun na,
Rossos for the lead. It's the shot. And 22 of Bisnar. That was a fourth personal foul. Warning. Entering penalty, Jammers. Santos on the inbound. Received by Banal. Banal. Dribbling the ball. Tisayo, shot clock 14. To Carlos. 10 to shoot. Uy! Pull-ups. Too strong. Rebound by Ruto. Pass to Rossos. Rossos to Bisnar. Bisnar for the lead. Yes, sir! 66-65.
Lumamag na ang Jammers. 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Here's down Sayo. Sayo drive to the basket, blocked, but there's a whistle. Foul from behind. Number 34 on Rutor. Penalty. Rutor, that was your third personal foul. Penalty. Two shots for Daniel Sayo.
Lamang na ang Jammer, 65-60. Tingnan natin ang 2 free throw ni Daniel Sayo.
First throw, basket. Deadlock.
Deadlock, 66 all. 5 minuto na lang po ang natitira.
Sayo, 2 out of 3. Sabret.
67-66.
66-67. 1 point lead. Padang Satwa. 5 minutes.
Eto, 5 minuto ang natitira. Magkakaalaman na kung sino ang lalaban sa Team Goodies. Abana.
Pass to Bisnar.
Bisnar.
This the shot. Rebound.
Oy, na-rebound ni Joan Santos.
Sayo, turn around shot, layup.
Daniel, nakuha ni Ruto. Ruto. Pass to Bisnar. Bisnar to Rosso. Oy! Hindi nasalo ni Rosos yung bola.
Here's Banal on the inbound.
Man-to-man defense ang ginagawa ng Jammers.
Sayo got it. Holding fouls.
May foul kay Habana.
Ruto, that was your second personal foul. 2 shots. Second personal foul, Habana Jr.
Ang penalty yata.
Ha? Habana pala. Sorry.
May 2 free throw para kay Daniel Sayo.
Na magkakamukha ko yung dalawang yan eh. Pareho kasing maputi. Basket.
Pasok.
Second throw for Sayo. Sauret. 66-69, 3-4 lead Padang Satwa. 4 minutes, 24 seconds remaining.
Lumayo na naman ng 3 ang Kalamangan.
It's the Rosos. It's the shot. Rebound.
Habana, binigyan ng isang pagkakataon.
10 to shoot. Habana Junior drive.
Habana! One shot to Habana.
Banal.
Isa na lang ang Kalamangan.
Guarded by Rosos. Carlos step up on the 3. Air ball.
Line violation.
Same ball, shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot.
3 minutes and 37 seconds.
11.
3 minuto at 37 segundo.
To Santos. Looking sama the pass. 10 to shoot. Discount. 5. Discount. Rosos. Gawin na ball.
Pagkakataon ng lumumang ng Jammers.
Rosos guarded by Carlos.
May connect kaya.
Again pick by Rutor. Pass to Pilayo.
Eto, Bisnar. Mainit si Bisnar.
Bisnar.
Bisnar!
Connect for 2 points. Change the
Grabe
ball.
ang performance ni
17-69.
Bisnar.
1 point lead by Jammers.
Lamang na ng isa.
Dribbling the ball. Pass to Carlos. Carlos dribbling the ball. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Carlos! Missed the shot. Rebound by Pelayo. 2 minutes 40 seconds.
2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Bisnar. Drive. Out of bounds. Save ball, shot clock. 13 seconds. Sub. Sub left sub. 13 seconds shot clock. Pelayo on the inbound. To Rossos. 10 to shoot. High! Steal by Banal. Sayo.
Agaw. Eto, Christian Banal to Santiago. Pinakpot pa.
70-71, 2 minutes 10 seconds.
Lamang ng isa ang batang sa Atwa.
Pelayo. And there's a whistle. And what is the call then? Foul number 18. Holding foul.
May foul sa ilalim.
Third personal foul, second team foul. Not a Satwa. Two minutes and 4 seconds remaining. Pelayo. Obisna. Last 2 minutes. 10 to shoot.
Bisna naman, libre. Wala, wala pa rin. Rebound. Eto, nakuha ni Rotos. Pagkakataon pa, Rotos. Wala, nakuha naman na. Pelayo.
Pelayo.
Pelayo, wala. Bisna na naman.
Bisna, jump.
Bisna!
1 minute 35 seconds. 72-71. 1 minute 30. Banal, short.
1 and 26 seconds.
For Banal.
1 minute. Isang minuto.
Silence!
30 na segundo.
Jammers. Napakagandang laban ng ating... Dalawa pa no, Jay.
Grabe ang laban ng dalawang ito. Walang bumibitaw. Sabi ko nga, kung sino yung malaki ang puso sa dalawang ito, siyang mananalo, ang makakalaban, ang nag-aantay na Brudis. Sino kaya ang makakalaban ng Brudis sa finals?
Akala ko kanina 3
Ayan, napakaganda ng mga bakbakan ngayon.
Na wala na. Hindi kasi marami yung ano siya. Hindi akala ko kanina 3 yung ano, 3 pa. Nagamit na pala yung isa kaya akala ko 2 pa. 1 minute 26 seconds remaining. Okay, Bisnar on the inbound, received by Pelayo. Pelayo dribbling the ball.
JM Pelayo, Bisna, ang mainit na kamay, Bisna. Bisna na naman! Wala! Nakuha niya. Patrick Oy.
To Sayo. 1 minute 5 seconds.
Eto, nagmamadali. Daniel Sayo, nice. Eto na sinasabi ko. Habana, pass to JM Pelayo. Hit time out, batang Satwa.
Para sa Atwas, official score 74-71.
Grabe, ang laban.
57.5 seconds remaining.
71. Tatlo po ang kalamangan ng Jammers.
Okay, both teams.
Walang humihinga sa labang ito. Nasabi ko kanina kung sino yung
Wala pa rin.
malaki ang puso siyang
dito sa
mananalo.
ating laban na to. Okay, back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo ngayon.
Okay, 14 seconds shot clock.
57.5 seconds. Dito lang
14
nyo
seconds,
mapapanood
shot
yan
clock.
sa Jazzville TV.
On the inbound. To Sayo. Sayo drive!
Huli! Nakuha pa!
Time to shoot!
Oy, Rosos! Naagaw! Golyoda!
Time to shoot!
Golyoda! Pass to Patrick Oy! Patrick Oy! Dinaiwan niya ng dalawang isip!
Rossos, 40 seconds!
38 seconds! Rosos! To Bisnar! Ang mainit na Bisnar!
14 shot
Tingnan
clock!
natin!
Bisnar! Shot! Rebound by Uy!
Discalay pa rin.
24 seconds remaining. And still by Abana Jr. 20 seconds. Rosos. Elayo. And foul. By Sayo. 13 foul. Number 18.
Grabe ang laban nito.
12.6
seconds.
Sayo.
74-71.
No more shot clock.
Walang humihinga sa Batang
12.6
Satwa.
seconds remaining. Elayo.
Bisnar.
Still.
Nice
Sayo.
pass.
10 seconds.
Ito. Agawan na
Sayo.
naman. Agawan.
Timing for the ball. 5 seconds.
Ito. Santiago. Wala.
And out of bounds.
3.2 seconds.
3.2 seconds remaining.
Grabe.
Timeout. Batang Satwa. That was your last timeout.
3.2 seconds. 74-71.
3.2 seconds remaining.
Grabe ang
74-71.
laban.
Triple lead by Jammers. Okay, back to the ball game. Next game, quarterfinals, battle of the pride between Brodies and the Philippine Homes.
3.2 seconds.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Ball possession ng Batang Satwa.
3.2 seconds remaining. Baseline
3.2
inbound.
seconds.
3.2 seconds remaining. Uy, on the inbound.
Oh!
Out of bounds. 2.6 seconds.
Nagkaroon ng hindi wrong communication.
Sayang. 2.6
Sayang yung pass
seconds.
sa ni Patrick Oy.
Okay.
Ball
wala na timeout,
2.6
Satwa.
seconds.
This Pelayo and a
May
foul.
2.1 seconds.
Number 7.
Wala pa.
Entering penalty.
2.1 seconds.
.1 seconds remaining. Pelayo on the inbound.
Congratulations, Jammers!
for winning the game versus Batang Satwa. Pasok na sa ating semifinal round.
Brodies versus
Jammers.
Jammers
Okay,
ang
next game,
maglalaban
warm
sa
up.
finals.
Brodies versus the Filipino Homes ng Batang